Let's say the jump rope song, Two Little Dicky Birds. Now with this jump rope song, we will say the first part together, and then as your birthday month is called, you jump into the rope, and then at the end, everybody jumps out. So here we go. Two little dicky birds sitting on the wall. One named Peter, one named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Don't you come back until your birthday's called. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Now fly away, fly away, fly away all. Brought to you by lovingtolearn.com, where early learning is always fun.